Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. In last class,
Good evening, sir.
good evening. Good evening. Common roots of quadratic equation concept completed, no?
Yes, sir. Questions we didn't do, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, question. First question. If, sir, fan, sir, fan. If x square plus ax plus bc is equal to 0, x square plus bx plus ca is equal to 0, and a not equal to 0, have a common root, have a common root, then find the equation with other uncommon root. Uncommon roots. If two equations is given, x square plus ax plus b plus bc is equal to 0, x square plus bx plus ca is equal to 0. Have a common root, then find the equation with other uncommon root. First equation roots alpha comma beta, and the second equation roots alpha comma delta take.
Sir, could you just read the question once? The end of the question.
If x
And
if x square plus ax plus bc is equal to 0, x square plus bx plus ca is equal to 0, a not equal to 0, have a common root, then find the equation with other uncommon root.
Sir, I got the answer as x square plus cx plus ba.
X square plus
xc plus ba.
ca cx
Yes, sir,
bx
basically
plus
cx.
ba
Ah, yes,
equal
sir.
to 0.
Yeah. Correct, sir.
C wrong.
Wrong, sir. Okay, sir.
Let alpha comma beta be the roots. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus a, and alpha beta is equal to bc. Now this one is all, let alpha comma gamma be the roots. Alpha plus gamma is equal to b minus b. Alpha gamma is equal to ca. Now common root, these two equations common root. Alpha is equal to c, right? Common root is alpha is equal to c. Then c square plus ac plus bc is equal to 0. One more equation, c square plus bc plus ca is equal to 0. Then product of the roots. Product of
Sir,
the
how,
roots.
sir?
Nagbhushan.
Sir, how is alpha equal to C?
Common root. Product.
So c can be 0, right?
Sir, C can be 0, no, sir.
See? Alpha beta is equal to bc and alpha gamma is equal to ca.
Yes, sir.
I am taking product of roots. C beta is equal to bc. C beta is equal to bc. Alpha is equal to c. C beta is equal to bc. And beta is equal to b.
Sir, how is it C, sir?
See, two equation common root. Two equation common root. Alpha, beta, alpha, gamma. Alpha is equal to,
How are you taking C? C is given in the equation, no? How do you know C is only equal in both of them?
Sir. Sir.
tell Santosh.
Sir, which chapter is this, sir?
Quadratic equations.
Oh, okay, sir.
So C can also be equal to 0, right?
C can be
0.
0, na?
Can it be? Or is it like C is not equal to 0? So
C is not equal to 0.
so if C is equal to 0, then the constant BC and CA part would also become 0. So I consider C to not be equal to 0.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, I think we can use this relation. Sir, nothing now. Sir, nothing.
So I didn't understand the.
Wait, wait, wait.
So like if we assume C to be 0, then also we'll get some equation. So if C is equal to 0, then x square plus ax is equal to 0 and x square plus bx is equal to 0.
Hmm.
So we can take x common, we'll get x plus ax is equal to 0 and x plus b is equal to 0. So x can also be 0, it can be minus a and minus b.
Minus B minus A
Are the two possible values of
are
x.
two possible values of X. C common C plus A plus B plus.
So this is the answer in terms of a and b.
Answer is A and B.
I mean, like,
I think
it's in the
this-
terms of a and b, right?
Terms of A and B.
Like x square plus bx plus ax plus ab.
I think this problem. Okay, this one is correct. I don't know. I'm checking. Okay, this problem next class I will teach. Okay, the next problem note down. X square, if x square plus 4ax plus 3 is equal to 0 and 2x square plus 3ax minus 9 is equal to 0 have a common root then a is equal to
So we should leave that question for now.
if x square plus 4ax plus 3 is equal to 0 and 2x square plus 3ax minus 9 is equal to 0. Have a common root, then a is equal to option A 0, option B 1, option C minus 1, option D plus or minus 1.
So the previous question you'll be doing next class or
Next
are
class,
we?
next class, next class.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
This is second question. If x square plus 4ax plus 3 is equal to 0,
So is it option A?
huh?
Option A, 0.
Priyanka,
So is it option A?
option A. Option A is wrong. Common root formula apply.
Sir, it can be +1 and even -1. So
Hmm?
plus of -1. Sir.
Yes, correct.
Sir, instead of using the common root formula, we can also do it with the other method. So like the root
Any
of
method,
alpha,
any
beta,
method
and
using.
beta, gamma. So
Other
we can-
method, direct solving.
Yes, sir.
Direct solving. Two equations solve. That is one more method. This is direct formula apply.
Okay, sir.
One 4a, two 3a. Then next 4a 3. Three a minus 9. Next 1 3 2 minus 9. And determinant find. Three a minus 8a and minus 36a minus 9a is equal to minus 9 minus 6 whole square minus 15 whole square. Then find a. A is equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, completed. Third one, determine the
Sir,
Ah.
was the answer plus
A
or
is
minus
equal to
1?
plus or minus 1. A is fourth option is correct. Determine the values of m for which the equations three x square plus 4mx minus 2 is equal to 0 and 2x square plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 may have a common root. Common root.
So same type of question only, right?
Huh? Same type.
Same type. Sir, m will have two values, right?
Two values
One of them is 5 by 8.
5 by
8.
5 by 8 and 5 by 4.
So I'm finding the second value. Sir.
Okay, okay. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Remaining Ananya.
Doing, sir. Just a minute.
Completed, all of you? Next, fourth one. If x square plus 8ax plus b is equal to 0, x square plus bx plus a is equal to 0, a not equal to 0, have a common root, then a plus b is equal to option A 3, option B 2, option C 1, option D -1.
So such questions actually come for JEE mains. These type of questions come for JEE mains,
K-set,
not mains, right?
not mains.
Done, sir.
Done, na?
Is the answer C?
So D.
Sir, C.
C, Nagbhushan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wrong.
D, I got D, sir.
D is correct.
Okay, yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay.
So we'll get A plus B plus 1 as 0.
Yes, correct.
Sir, I'm getting a square minus b square is equal to b minus a. There I directly cancel.
Okay. Priyanka?
I'm doing so.
Okay, completed. Complete. Ananya.
Yes,
Ananya.
sir. Yes, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Priyanka.
Yes, sir.
Priyanka. Bhargav. Okay. Next. Note
Done,
down.
sir.
Fifth one. If the mains questions, if the equation x square plus 2x plus 3 lambda is equal to 0, 2x square plus 3x plus 5 lambda is equal to 0, have a non-zero common root, then find lambda. Then find lambda.
So alpha is 1.
Yes, correct.
So I use the substitution method.
Substitution method.
So with determinant method, it gets lengthy, I guess.
Lengthy, the determinant method. Same.
So first we multiply the x square plus 2x plus 3 alpha with 2.
Hmm.
And then we solve the equations.
Sir, is there any other method?
Any other method?
Yes, sir.
That is formula method, direct formula method. That is lengthy.
Sir, but we can't remember all formulas at that time, no, sir.
Formulas?
Sir, we can't remember all the formulas, no, sir. So, any other method?
Two equations solving.
Sir, that's the only method.
Hmm. Complete?
Sir, just a minute, please.
Hmm. See, if the equation equations ax square plus 2cx plus b is equal to 0 and ax square plus 2bx plus c is equal to 0, b not equal to c, have a common root, then prove that a plus 4b plus 4c is equal to 0.
So what is the answer of the fifth one?
Lambda is equal to 1.
I got -1/4.
Minus 1/4.
Sir, I am getting -1, sir.
Minus 1 na? Wait. 1156.
So that's 4b plus 4c, right?
4b, a plus 4b plus 4c.
Okay, sir.
Even I'm getting it as -1. I'm getting it as -1, sir.
Minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir, minus alpha square plus alpha is 0. So alpha goes towards the right hand side, and so minus and minus gets cancelled.
Yes, correct.
And sir, I got x is equal to minus alpha before. Oh, okay, sir. Yeah, I got my mistake. It should be -1 only because it's alpha.
Here
X
minus
square,
1
sir.
is given.
Yes, sir. It should be x square, right? So minus alpha square is basic. Minus alpha whole square is alpha square.
Alpha is equal to minus 1.
-1. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir, for
Nagabhushan,
the wrong
correct.
answer.
Nagabhushan,
So I don't know
Sir,
why,
yes,
but I'm getting -1/4.
minus 1/4. Calculation mistake. Check it once.
We have to use that same equation, no, sir?
Ah,
Like a1 c2 minus a2 c1 whole square.
yes,
equal to-
correct. That is direct method. Where is Nagbhushan? Gopal Krishna?
sir.
Is there?
Sir, he's there, sir. Side of
Okay. Okay.
Sir, how do you do this? Sir?
Which one? Sixth one, huh?
Yes, sir.
Subtracting both equations. These two equations subtracting. Two
Sir, but
equations
then A would be eliminated.
subtracting, then you will get x value.
Oh, okay, sir.
X value. X is equal to, I think, something. Do subtracting these two.
Yes, sir, I got it. It's -1.
Okay, okay. Everyone got Bhargav? Shiraj Nair?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Santosh, new joining, right? Santosh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, today is first class.
Yesterday, sir.
Yesterday, na? Okay, okay. Prajwal?
Yes, sir. Got it.
See, these two equations subtracting, then we will get x value. X value
Yes, sir,
substituting.
then... Yes, sir, I got
it.
Yes, sir.
Himanshu?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, x is equal to 1 by 2, right?
Yes, yes, correct. X is equal to 1 by 2.
Sir, did you get some KVP-like questions?
KVPY, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Then Monday I will tell.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir.
Monday. In the
Sir?
chapter?
Yes, sir.
In the chapter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir?
I forgot. Next class I will.
Sir, for every question, can we subtract them?
Not every question. This question, see, ax square plus 2cx plus b is equal to 0. Ax square plus 2bx plus c is equal to 0. Then ax square get cancelled. Then
Sir, for the above question also, we can cancel, no, sir?
above question also we can cancel, but here 2 multiply.
Sir, up. No, sir, up there, sir, up.
This question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, we can
This question also subtracting. Both, no? X square get cancelled.
Sir, we can also equate it.
You can also equate it. Completed? And the cubic equation and biquadratic equation also is there. Theory of equations. That is one more concept.
So why I didn't understand it. Why are we finding
This
x?
one, these two subtracting equation 1 and equation 2. X square plus 2cx plus b is
Yes,
equal.
sir, I got 1 by 2, but why are we subtracting the equation?
Subtracting equations.
Yeah, why?
Then we will
for
get
what?
x value. X value substituting by any one equation.
Oh, yeah. Got it.
X value substituting any one equation, then
Yeah.
prove that a plus 4b plus 4c is equal to 0. Okay, next problem. 7th one. If the equations ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and x square plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, have common root, then prove that a is to b is to c is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3.
Sir, that's ax square plus
ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0.
Done, sir.
Done na? Okay.
Sir,
Tell.
could you please tell me if my method is right? Like, I just equated both the equations and then by comparing, I proved that A is to B is to C is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3.
A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2.
No, sir, I didn't do it with that method. I equated both the equations.
See, x square plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Discriminant is less than 0.
0.
V square minus 4ac is less than 0. Then both common roots is
Imaginary.
yes.
No, sir, I'm not asking about that, sir. Like, I equated both the equations.
Both the equations.
Equated to equal to 0.
Hmm.
So then by comparing it, I told that A is 1, B is 2, and C is 3. Is that correct?
A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to 3.
C is equal to 3 by comparing.
Comparing. All of you completed?
So what method do we have to follow?
Both roots are common. Two roots.
Yeah, we can use
Two roots
that.
are common. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. A coefficient of x square, coefficient of x, coefficient of constant. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3. A upon 1 is equal to B upon 2 is equal to C upon 3.
Yeah, I got that.
Then A is to B is to C is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3.
Okay, okay.
Okay, next cubic equations. Cubic equation.
Sir?
Cubic equation.
Sir, we didn't do location of roots.
After that,
Okay, sir.
location of roots and range of the equations, quadratic equations. Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. An equation which is in the form of ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0 has roots alpha comma beta comma gamma. Relation between alpha comma beta comma gamma. Relation between alpha comma beta comma gamma and coefficients and coefficients. Coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Coefficient of x. Coefficient of x alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c upon a. And coefficient of x naught alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. Minus d by a.
Sir?
Yes, tell me.
Sir, a cubic equation always has one real root, no, sir?
Now ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. Okay, this one is no need. the equation having roots alpha comma beta comma gamma is alpha x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma is equal to 0. Then the equation is x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma is equal to 0. This is the equation. Next, biquadratic.
Sir?
Hello?
Sir, nothing, sir. Nothing.
Next, biquadratic. Biquadratic polynomial. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e is equal to 0 has roots alpha, beta, gamma and delta. Relation between delta and coefficient of x cube, x square and x coefficient of x naught. Alpha plus beta plus delta. Delta is equal to minus b by a. Next, x square. Alpha beta, alpha gamma, alpha delta. Alpha beta, alpha gamma, alpha delta plus beta gamma, beta delta, gamma delta. Gamma delta is equal to
The biquadratic, right?
biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial c by a. Next, coefficient of x alpha beta gamma, alpha beta delta, alpha beta gamma alpha beta delta plus beta gamma delta. Next, alpha gamma delta is equal to minus d by a. Next, x naught alpha beta gamma delta is equal to minus e by a.
Sir, shouldn't it be positive E by A?
Positive e by a. Negative.
Yes, sir. No, sir. Like, see, minus first, then plus, minus, plus, no, sir.
Minus.
Sir, from this we can interpret what this
See, x
equation.
minus alpha, x minus beta, x minus gamma, x minus delta is equal to 0.
Sir, I'm
The
saying
equation
that,
have tell.
sir, like we see quadratic, cubic, and biquadratic, we can say that single term sum is equal to minus b by a. Double root sum is c by a. Triple root sum is minus d by a. Then four roots sum is equal to e by a, no, sir.
E by
Because
a.
it is minus plus minus plus, no, sir.
Minus plus minus plus.
Yes, sir. Shouldn't it be like that?
You have to multiply x minus alpha, x minus beta, x minus gamma, x minus delta.
Okay, sir.
Calculate. The equation having roots alpha comma beta comma delta gamma comma delta are x minus alpha, x minus beta, x minus gamma, x minus delta is equal to 0. Then the equation x power 4 minus alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta into x cube plus alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus alpha delta plus beta gamma plus beta delta plus gamma delta into x square plus minus alpha beta gamma plus alpha beta delta plus beta gamma delta plus alpha gamma delta into x minus alpha beta gamma delta is equal to 0.
Sir. Sir, it should be positive E by A only, sir.
Positive?
Sir, it's plus E by A.
Plus E by A, na? Multiply?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta is equal to 0. Positive, huh? Okay. Positive E by A. This is the equation, biquadratic.
Sir? Sir? Sir, we can see in the x cube coefficients there is only single terms, no sir. So from here and here x square it is double term, and for x it is triple, and for x naught it is 4, no sir. So with this they found the theory of equations.
Theory of equations. Cubic equation and biquadratic equations, theory of equations. 4 types of polynomials, no? One is linear, second one is quadratic, and third one is cubic, and fourth one is biquadratic. But cubic and biquadratic theory of equations, that is separate chapter. But including theory of equations and quadratic equations. Some textbooks including theory of equations and quadratic equations. Some textbooks inequalities and quadratic equations. Theory of equations separate is given. Completed? Okay, problems? Results also is there, important results. First problem. The equation of the roots whose roots are 1 plus or minus 2i and 0 and 1 is option A, x into x cube plus 3x square minus 7x plus 4 is equal to 0. Option
That's
B,
1 plus minus 2i.
1 plus or minus 2i. 2i. X into x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 5 is equal to 0. Option C, x into x cube minus 3x square minus 7x plus 4 is equal to 0. X into x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 4 is equal to 0.
Sir? Sir, for this equation, we don't need to we don't need to solve the full equation. We just need to find the coefficient, no, sir?
Coefficient? Yes, coefficient.
So once we find coefficient, we can compare and we can select answer.
One root is 1 plus 2i. One more root is 1 minus 2i. One more root is alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Which option is correct?
Sir, option B.
Option
B, sir.
C.
No, sir. B.
B. B is correct. Option B is the correct option.
Sir, sir, we can use shortcut, no, sir. Like here we can select two real roots, 0 and 1. We can put in each equation and find out.
Or otherwise 3 roots take. 0 is not included. Alpha, beta, delta take. Sum of the roots, product of the roots. Where is Himanshu? Himanshu left. And Keshav is not present. Why Nagbhushan?
Sir, he didn't tell anything.
Okay. Yesterday's class also on present. Yesterday class present?
Yes, sir, he was present.
Present. Okay. Alpha beta of the roots of the equation x square minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. And gamma delta are the roots of the equation x into x square minus x is equal to 0. Correct? These two required equation. Then these two multiply, then we will get answer B. Ananya, complete Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Priyanka?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Root 2 comma minus root 2 comma 3i minus 3i is option A, x power 4 plus 7x square minus 18 is equal to 0. Option B, x power 4 minus 7x square plus 18 is equal to 0. Option C, x power 4 plus 7x square plus 18 is equal to 0. Option D, x power 4 minus 7x square minus 18 is equal to 0.
Sir, option A.
Option A.
Yes, sir.
Option A is correct option. Complete Ananya? Bhargav?
Yes, sir.
Doing, sir.
The equation having roots alpha, beta, gamma, delta, x minus alpha, x minus beta, x minus gamma, x minus delta is equal to 0. That using the direct substituting roots. Ah, 8 members, sir. Suddenly Himanshu left, sir. And Keshav absent.
Sir, 9 members, sir, including me.
Oh, nine members, sir. No.
Sir, someone left just now.
And one. No, sir. Total 10 members today attempt. Someone left. Yeah, who is that? Rajwal? Complete, huh?
So just 1 minute, 1 minute.
Shiraj Nair. Priyanka.
Just a minute, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. If alpha, comma, beta, comma 1 are the roots of x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, then 3 alpha plus beta is equal to option A 7, B 5, C 14, D 10. Which option is correct? In target exercise, up to 21 problems completed, no? Before?
Yes, sir.
Nagbhushan?
Yes, sir.
From 22 to 50 problems. Up to 50.
Homework, sir.
Homework.
Okay, sir.
PDF is there, no? PDF?
Yes, sir. I have the PDF.
Okay, okay.
Sir, from which question onwards? 22 to?
22 to 50.
Okay.
Answer key, I will send answer key.
Sir?
Hmm.
Sir, I may not be able to do those questions, sir, because I have half-yearly exam from 7 to 13th this month.
7 to?
13.
7 to 13.
Yes, sir.
Already solutions also I will send. PDF.
No, sir, I said I have my half-yearly exam from 7 to 13, so I may not be able to do those questions.
Okay, okay. Okay, this question answer tell. This question. Time is over, no? 7 to.
Sir, I am getting 13 as the answer.
13.
Yes, sir.
13. 13, no. Option A is correct. Alpha plus beta plus 1 is equal to 2, right?
2. Yes, sir. That time I got alpha plus beta is equal
Alpha
to
plus beta is equal to 1.
Then alpha beta is equal to
Alpha beta 1 is equal to
minus 6, sir.
minus 6. Alpha beta is equal to minus 6.
Sir, then I did alpha is equal to minus 6 by beta.
Now 3 alpha plus beta. Okay, then next class I will explain. Okay, time is over. Sir is waiting. Physics, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
मतलब अभी तक खेल रहे थे। बंद करो।